GATE 2019 ECE question number 36. Two identical copper wires W1 and W2 placed in parallel as shown in the figure carry currents I and 2I in the opposite direction. So if one current is flowing in this direction, let's say this is I, and correspondingly this is 2I in the opposite direction to the wires W1 and W2 respectively. So in opposite directions, if the two wires are separated by a distance of 4r, so given that this distance is 4r, okay, then the magnitude of magnetic field between the wires at a distance r from W1, so at this point, any point, you see they have been asking the value of B vector, that is magnetic field, that is magnetic flux density. They are asking to find us the value. So to find out here B, so B will come from H and H will be determined from Ampere's law. So Ampere's law states that closed loop integral over H dot dl equal to I enclosed. That means if this is Ampere's law, so if we have a current carrying conductor carrying a current, let's say I, enclosure, let's say this enclosure, current carrying conductor, if this radius of circular enclosure is r, closed loop integral, that is the enclosure enclosing the current carrying conductor, that is closed loop integral of H dot dl, where H at that location over this enclosure equal to I enclosed. So I enclosed is nothing but I, and H dot dl, so H dot dl, now H value will be same as the distance from the center is same, and we are asking us to find out the magnitude of H, so it will be same. So H comes out and dl is 2 pi r equal to I enclosed. So H center equal to I by 2 pi r. So now these are the two wires W1 and W2, and current is like this I and 2I. Now at a distance of r, we have, if the current is flowing in this direction, keep your right thumb along the direction of current. Then finger curl direction, that is curl your finger by pointing your thumb towards the direction of this current direction, then your finger curl direction goes into the plane. So due to this wire, the magnetic field is inside the plane, and also due to this field, the magnetic field direction is inside the plane only, so both are additive. So this gives direction of magnetic field. Now integral H dl equal to I enclosed. Now H1 plus H2 equal to H net, where H1 is due to wire 1, magnetic field at that point, that is this point, all through this point. This will be same because the distance from the wires are same. So wire 2, magnetic field at that point along that direction, in this direction. So H net is this. Now H1 is by 2 pi r, since the distance is r, sorry, if the distance is r, and h2 is 2I divided by, this is 3r, 2 pi into 3r, and hence h net equal to 2 pi, equal to I by 2 pi r plus 2I divided by 2 pi into 3r. Now B net equal to mu 0 into H net, since it is free space, so mu 0. Now B net, that is, it is asked, so it is the required, into H1 plus H2, this is H net. Now equal to mu 0 into I by 2 pi r plus 2I by 2 pi into 3r. This is B net is coming out to be mu naught into, so this comes out to be 5I divided by 6 pi r. So this is the value of B net. Now what it is asked in the question, 5 mu naught I by 6 pi r. So this is the answer. Thank you.